Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Siliguri location. It is from West Bengal. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there are many vacancies available from Kotak Mahindra Bank. So let's discuss each and every job vacancy from Kotak Mahindra Bank. Firstly, there is a job vacancy for Service Delivery Officer position for branch banking. So for this, job requirement will be developing and maintaining banking relationships with a group of high net worth customers. Excellent communication skills with customer service orientation is required and courteous and polite. The candidate should be having good knowledge of Microsoft Excel and understanding of banking norms and processes. So these are the qualification details. Next, coming to job responsibilities and roles, handling personalized service requests of customers and generation of timely business MIS and ensuring strict adherence to compliance, audit and regulatory requirements for customer segment, coordination with the CPCR, RPCR investment desks for account opening of customers, managing complaints of customers and ensuring their resolution within that. So these are the responsibilities for this job vacancy, and you please go through with the information provided here, and for further details you can visit in the official website link provided here. There is a job opening for branch acquisition officer for branch banking. So for this qualifications will be the candidate should have done post graduation or graduation with appropriate experience is required. At least 1 year of experience is required in liability sales, and hardcore sales mentality is required, and primary motivation from achievement of targets, a hunter by orientation, and should be well groomed and presentable with ambassadorship qualities. Next, coming to job description, to source customers for current account, savings account products of the bank, customers to be sourced from individuals, small businesses, trusts, associations, societies, corporates, and revenue generation, customer acquisition, customer retention, and cost efficiency through process. So this is about the job description, and you please go through with the job description and as well as qualification details, and for further details about the job vacancy provided here, you can visit in the official website link mentioned here. Next, there is a job vacancy for Senior Sales Executive, Construction Equipment CE for Marketing Branches Operations. So for this, job requirements will be minimum 2 years of work experience is required in vehicle financing, preferably CV or CE or MUVs, and should be having knowledge of sales purchase broker and go getter attitude, strong customer orientation, self motivated, good relationship management. So these are the job requirements. And coming to job responsibilities, lead and guide a team of 5 to 7 DSTs and ensure productivity, interaction with manufacturers or dealers or sub dealers in semi urban and rural market for sourcing business, tie up with the channel partners and associates for sales program, ensure development of direct and indirect team, interaction with credit for loan appliances and operations for smooth disbursement, and at last follow up on infant delinquent cases and managing PDDs. So these are the job roles and responsibilities. You please go through with the information provided here. So for further details and for more detailed information, you can visit in the official website link mentioned here. There is a job vacancy for service officer for branch banking. Coming to job role, redress customer needs pertaining to cash, DDs, check deposits, and general information, speed and accuracy of transaction, exploitation of other business opportunities sensed, providing quality of experience that will ensure retention and positive word of mouth. So this is about the job description, and coming to job requirement, the candidate should have handled SO profile, and he must have done his graduation or MBA to apply for this position. So for more detailed information about the job vacancy provided here, you can visit in the official website link mentioned here. Next one for assistant acquisition manager position. So for this position, job requirement will be freshers or graduate with appropriate 1 year of experience is required in liability sales preferred, and hardcore sales mentality, primary motivation from achievement of targets, and a hunter by orientation, and should be well groomed and presentable with ambassadorship qualities. So these are the job requirements. You please go through with the information, and also they have mentioned here the job summary, and here are some of the responsibilities are provided. You please go through with the information, and for further details you can visit in the official website link provided here. For senior sales executive position for commercial vehicle marketing branches operations. So for this requirements will be minimum 2 years of work experience is required in vehicle financing, preferably CV or CE or MUVS, and knowledge of sale purchase broker and go-getter attitude, and should be having strong customer orientation and self-motivated and good relationship management. So these are the job requirements. Coming to job role, lead and guide a team of 5 to 7 DSTs and ensure productivity. Interaction with manufacturers or dealers or sub-dealers in semi-urban and as well as rural market for sourcing business. Tie up with channel partners and associates for sales program. Ensure development of direct and indirect team. Interaction with credit for loan appliances and operations for smooth disbursement. Follow up on infant delinquent cases and managing PDDs. So this is about the job summary, and here are some of the responsibilities are mentioned. You please go through with the information, and for further details you can visit in the official website link provided here. For relationship officer branch banking, job requirement will be equal blend of service and sales orientation. In absence of equality, prefer sales orientation as a skew. Thorough understanding of banking and customer retention. And coming to job role, you need to handle customer service requirements like account opening, demat account opening, grievances, liability product selling, liability on product features, checkbook insurance, and speed and efficiency of service given, sales targets for banks and investment products, going beyond the professional need of the customer by providing other products, enhancement of customer value, cross-sell of asset products, backup to relationship managers holding HNI relationship, customer acquisition through referrals. So this is about the job summary. Please go through it once, and for further details about the job opening provided here, so you can visit in the website link provided. There is a job vacancy for housekeeper position from Marriott International for Siliguri location. Next, coming to job description, replace guest amenities and supplies in rooms, make beds and fold sheets, remove trash, dirty linens and room service items, greet guests and take care of requests, straighten desk items, furniture and appliances, dust, polish and remove marks from walls and furnishings, vacuum carpets and floor care duties. So this is about the job description, and these are the responsibilities also, and you please go through with the information, and interested candidates for more detailed information, and if you want to know clear information about this job opening, you can visit in the official website link provided here. So that's it in this video, guys. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and if you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.